ole masain clear tu te in zawain chibaile vekule tuntum kan video a chuanin territorial army officer chungchang kha kan soi hawin kan en ho le don ani ole masaberin enge territorial army officer chu territorial army chungchang kha masain kan soi phot don ani territorial army officer chu Ministry of Defense Department of Military Affairs wai oman nia Army Department sang heng Infantry Battalion te Ecological Task Force General Hospital Unit Home and Health Industry Health Infantry Air Defense Artillery Railway Industrial Unit khatiang department sang nuaya atul hun le mamo huna duty le training tura lak tekha anni tin kum khata hian thakhat atanga thathumin karvel an training tlang pui thina an training emo duty emo service emo khan nei tlang pui thina ni chipchiar zokin kan la soi lenga tin hlo po hi army officer dangte hloza tang tho an la a ain an lo na chu an training khami military service training duty chung big chau kha hlo an nei ani amero chuan hlo la kha chu army officer regular pa ngai nen khanin ain angani chu embodied period an tia khami an training chung an duty chung an service chung kha embodied period an ti ni entinan kum khata thlasom pahni oma thlasom pahnia khanin thlakhatte thlani te thlathum te khatiang khanin an training thina ni khatianga an duty an service chung kha embodied period ania embodied period chunga chau khanin hlo an nei don tina ni chu ti chuanin he na hi irregular job permanent job ani lova part time job ani ti ha hriat turani tin an service hun chung hi kumsari ani deuh tlang puya an performance zirte tin an ti thadana zirin an extend thaya tin a thenta pay chu permanent hial te po anom ve thinani tin duty emo training khami kum khachunga thakhat emo thlani emo khami training duty an zo chuanin an mani hnapa ngai entinan business an lo ni chuanin business an thok thaya tin lawyer te government job kan ti te banking khatiang sang khanin an mani hna kha an thok le thayani kum khachunga thlasom pahnia khanin thlani chung lo service ta se thlasom dang kha chu an mani business emo an mani personal hna khan thok thei tina ni chu ti chuanin hemi TA officer territorial army officer hian civil le soldier angin na an thokop thei tina ni chu ti chuanin hemi na nei tur hi chuanin employed na shim thok kha ni angai ni entina income generate shim ni kha ngaya sarkar na thok khera ngai lawa amero chu income nei shim kha tho chuan nei shim kha ngai ni government job khair kher kha ngai lawa self employed tan po adil thei ve thoni ti kha hriat turani amero chu student tan chuan adil thei lo ti na ni chu ti chuanin pension te po pek an ni kher lawa granted an ni kher lawa amero chu permanent job pang emo khatianga extend an ni zel kha chuanin pension te po pek an ni ve thina ni post work za than enila tuntum TA officer territorial army officer post work za thi azat chi antar lang lova antar lang ngai lova nikum le kum hasalama te po khan post vacancy hi antar lang lawani official lamin an mamo za thi an tipungin an tiniam theya om siaber chu army rally sipaila gurun pui intlar angkhan a post work zat kha azat chi om lova atul da nazirin an la thin tina ni chu hemi TA officer deal tura thiam na ngai te chu graduate to phot tan khana deal thaya tin kan soita gang khanin employment chungchanga khanin gainfully employed an tia chu na shim nei kha self employed te po ni thawa business te po government job ang chi te po khatianga income nei shim tan khana deal theni ti chuan deal tu hi kumsom pariata tanga kumsom li pahni inkaran ni turani 18 to 42 years inkaran ni turania ST SC tribal tan ngai na thiam na tiang chi khachu a om chuang lawani kumsom pariata tanga somli pahni inkar tan dil thai ani hlobi lo enila TA officer te hlo hi irregular angeta permanent job pa army officer te hlo ang tho kha an hloa ti chuanin amma sabera kanin ziak tlingani chuanin lieutenant rank kha ni donen lieutenant rank hianin level 10 an hlo chu cheng singa sangruk le za tanga noi khat sing sang sari zanga tin thatin khan military pay an tia military service pay chu sing khat sanga le zanga an la donani ti chuanin captain om laya captain hi level 10A ania peya khanin level 10A nia sing ruk sang khat zathum atanga nuai khat sing kuwa sang thum le zakwa in kar ani don ani chuanin military service pay kha thlatin sing khat sanga zanga an la dona major levels 11 ania sing ruk sang kwa zali atanga nuai ni sang sari le za ni ani dona military pay kha sing khat sanga zanga kha an lal don bokani lieutenant colonel level 12A ania nuai khat sing ni sang khat za ni atanga nuai ni sing khat sang ni zali ani dona military service pay hi thlatin sing khat sanga le zanga andong don bokani colonel omleya level 13 ania nuai khat sing thum zaruk atanga nuai ni sing khat sanga zakua in karan hlonga military service pay khatlatin sing khat sanga le zanga an hlodon bokani brigadier omleya brigadier hi level 13A ania nuai khat sing thum sang kwa zaruk atanga nuai ni sing khat sang sari le zaruk in karan hlonga military service pay kha thlatin sing khat sanga le zanga an hlodon bokani khakha TA officer te hlo tlang pui chu ani application form deal dan online atanga deal dan en leila application form hi online atanga fill up turania form fill up man hi cheng zahni ani don ani STSC kan ti tan khan ngai na thiam na kha chuang lawa cheng zahni kha general angin choi pop mai turani online atanga form fill up tur chuanin territorial army official website chu jointerritorialarmy.gov.in jointerritorialarmy.gov.in description a hian a link kha kan da boka khami kha kan lo check out don nia tin a form fill up dan te po kha description a video link kha kan da bokani kan lo check out don nia ti chuanin july ni som ni atangin form he fill up thenga thale august ni som pakwa thleng kha a fill up thei don ani last date kha thale ni som pakwa ani don ani ti chuanin date of written exam hun hi september ni som ni le paruk thale september ni som ni le paruk ani don ani selection procedure en leila selection procedure a hianin pakhatna chuanin screening dona screening a hianin preliminary interview board antia PIB chung ho chuanin written te tin interview khatiang chirang sang khan kondakanga written syllabus in akina kan enanga chumi hnuwa chuanin service selection board SSB kan ti te khan ashan pa in interview an conduct le donani chumi hnuwa chuanin medical exam chuta chuanin fitness kan ti te physical standard test kan ti te kha an conduct le donani written syllabus bi khan entaila MCQ ve kan ni dona full mark zahni anianga question kha zahni donani paper 1 le 2 omanga paper 1 a khanin mark za paper 2 a mark za ani dona paper 1 bi ka hianin a part subject wise khan an en le taila subject pakhatna chuanin reasoning anianga 50 mark apunga 50 question 2 hours chan turani panina chuanin elementary mathematics maths kan ti kha 50 marks anianga 50 question 2 hours chan turani donani chuanin paper 2 100 marks tho ani dona GK 50 marks 50 question 2 hours chan turani anga ti chuanin English 50 mark 50 question 2 hours chan tur ani don bokani ti chuan kan hria tur chu negative marking kha donani qualifying marks po hi subject ina khan 40% chu 50 subject ina khan 50 ania chumi omzia chu 40% ni chuanin 20 marks tal kha mu phak angai donani ti chuan overall a 50% mark kha mu tinangaya total marks kha zahni ania overall 50% ni chuanin tling tur chuanin 100 marks tal kha mu tinangai don tinani chu exam center han en leila Mizoram a hianin exam center don lova kan hnai ber chu Guwahati Dimapur kan ti kha kan hnai ber ani donani promotion chungcha han en leila TA officer kan inziak tling ani chuanin a hniam bera kan bultan na tur chu lieutenant rank kha ani donani lieutenant rank atangin kan tananga ti chuanin promotion kan mu chho zelanga entinan captain te major te lieutenant colonel kan tiang chi kha lieutenant rank atangin lieutenant colonel thleng kha promotion an mu thei donani amero chu colonel le brigadier kan ti te kha selection recommendation atangin an kai sang theya promotion ang kha chuanin an kai sang theilawani promotion ang kha chuanin lieutenant colonel thleng kha lieutenant atang khan an kai sang anga an ha thodana zirte tin an extend sakdana zirte khatiang khanin selection le recommendation atang khanin colonel le brigadier rank thleng kha an kai sang theyani pension chungcha han en leila tia officer te hi kumsom ni chung an service chin le JCO1 tia junior commission officer an nia chung ho chu kumsom panga an service china khanin pension siam sak an ni thinani tia officer te kha kumsom ni chung an service na khan pension an siam sak thinani kha kan hria tangai ni ole khati zong khatun tum kan video a territorial army officer chungchang naruak dil theitele bi chianna kan nei thei chu ni sela video dang le a chuanin naruak dang nen kan hmule don nia mutui mang tha ve kule